and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mask stickers on CapCut PC. So if you just go to stickers here and you select a sticker, for instance this one, and you want to mask that circle part so you can add like a photo in it, for instance. I'm just going to adjust the duration, right click, create compound clip, then select mask, select the shape you want, and just select reverse to basically mask that out to create kind of like a frame. Then you can add anything you want underneath that, like any video, and as you can see it will be masked out. And for instance, you want to mask the video, just like circle again to create this video edit. Just keep in mind, once you've selected compound clip, you can't adjust the duration anymore, so make sure it's enough. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!